makes no sense, dog. No sense at all. Let me go find my dog. My dog didn't run. Dallas, come. Move, y'all go, y'all. I need y'all to stay right here. Don't go nowhere. Dallas, come here. Let's go. Alright, y'all, we are currently looking at a whole bunch of snow. Last time we did this, we went go try to go find the snow, but the snow came find us. It was little.
That was good.
Yeah, that's definitely more than what we expected today. It's cold, y'all. It's currently like about.
Oh, it's very cold.
I think it's like about right now. It's about 3 degrees.
It freezes. Okay.
But it feels like it's negative. Yo, y'all can build a snowman.
We freeze. But it's too cold.
It's too cold. Like I could hear the crunching under my foot. That's how thick the snow is right now, y'all. Watch, you can hear it. All right, watch. Go ahead and walk.
Dad.
Huh?
I don't think I can ride my bike on this, I think.
Yeah, you can, but you would definitely slip.
I don't know. But I know that. But I think I could ride my skateboard.
No, you definitely cannot ride your skateboard.
Oh! No! Oh no. I got part of an icicle. An icicle.
Here you come.
You got it in my shoe.
It went in your shoe?
Yes.
Oh no, that's not good.
It's all in my shoe. It's all in my shoe.
Yo, like this is the whole block, y'all. Like everything is literally filled with snow. Look how thick this is, man. This is crazy, yo. This right here is crazy. Check this out. See? Let's go back over there in the corner, but y'all, with the wind not blowing so much. Here's my thing, though. Dallas thought it was okay to come run outside and just try to escape me.
That wasn't okay.
I'm gonna make sure he ain't running and go crazy. Cause Sierra will definitely get on me. Hey, sir, where you going? He gonna keep putting it all in your shoe.
Come on.
All right, you guys, look, I'm just waking up, man. It has been a very exciting morning. The kids literally woke up Sierra and I with screaming, laughter, excitement, saying, it's snowing, it's snowing. See, we knew it was going to snow, but, baby, stop. We knew it was going to snow, but we didn't think that it was going to do what it's doing like it's doing now. I mean, I went outside with the boys for a little bit, let them play around in the snow. Baby, stop jumping. We went outside for a while, let the boys play around in the snow, and I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I was still asleep. It was like literally around, 8 o'clock in the morning. So right now we about to get up, everybody's getting situated. Now we about to really go outside and see what it's really looking like. And I think it actually got a little taller, like maybe 2 more inches taller. You guys remember how much snow they had out there earlier?
Yeah.
It was a lot?
Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
And it was right on our trash cans.
Yeah, like the snow literally made it all the way up to our door spot. Y'all seen it? It was crazy, bro.
Yeah,
it was crazy.
And I think because the cold air that blows it everywhere, Dad.
Yeah, I think that's what it is. So I just want to go poke my head outside, and it's literally still doing a lot of snowing right now. Like,
what?
Sierra was telling me earlier when I was laying down that it's supposed to get worse. Daniel, you really gonna put your face in the camera? So we about to go head out real quick and look at more of this and see what else they have to do out here in Dallas on a snow day, which we excited for.
And I think we could make a snowman.
Yeah, so Mike has his gloves on. He want to make a snowman. Happy Valentine's Day to everybody, man. Hope you all had a good day. Hope y'all was able to spend time with your loved one and just enjoy, eat good, you know, exchange gifts, not too extravagant. You know how some people love to go all out, some people love to keep it mad simple. Whichever way you turned in this one, you know, everything just deserves some type of, you know, gratitude and just
Daddy,
be grateful.
Look, in my picture.
Yeah, that's you. Put it back on. And just be grateful for whatever, you know, you receive from
your
your loved one.
phone.
It could be a hug, it could be a movie night, it could be a gift, it could be a vacation, it could be a dinner date, whatever it is. Just be mad grateful for it and just show love and just continue to do that every day, not just on a special day like this, but every single day, you know, because your boy over here, I'm doing it every day. Right, babe? Mm-hmm.
And we love the snow.
She said, just go get mommy big card. Show them the big card I got mommy for Valentine's Day. And that's just a little piece of it, but it's like a really huge jumbo card. And then all of us has signed it. It's literally like bigger than my head. It's like the size of Daniel's body. So it's...
I think it is, and it's blocking.
your phone.
Okay, here, you got my phone. So yeah, I'm not going to talk you guys' ear off. We're actually about to go out the door, and we're going to see y'all outside.
Peace.
What y'all doing?
Go on the Kroger. I'm hungry. OMG.
It got deep.
Look, Mari. Now, why Mari put his hand in the thing?
Let me see.
Yeah,
Y'all need
that's
some
one.
gloves.
He took his gloves off for some reason.
Oh my God, what that?
OMG. Daniel is... What is it?
Then you went to the car.
Okay, y'all. So, first time driving in snow, they say you have to take off that the traction thing.
So
The
it
little
said
squiggly lines.
it says control disabled traction.
Yeah, because what that means is that it's going to help you brake if you have it on. And we're not used to driving in snow or
Man,
ice.
look, I'm yanking them emergency brakes when it come down to it. It's a lot for real. But now I'm gonna do like probably like 5, man. To be honest, with you. 'Cause the snow is like about 3 inches at this point. So
Yeah, so we're not going out here
somebody
willingly.
came in our driveway. You
Turn
see the tire
around.
tracks, yeah.
Yeah, we're not coming out here willingly. We're coming out here because we
Stock
don't
up.
know. Yeah, to stock up a little bit. We don't know how long we're gonna be, in the house.
Yeah, right now it's saying we're way below the temperature, y'all. It's like really,
It's
really
beautiful.
cold
I
out
wish it would have did this for Christmas though. But y'all, we're not going out here willingly. We'll never put our lives in danger, our children. But we need some food, and Kroger is like literally a block away from our house, so that's where we're going.
here. And Daddy's like an expert driver, so they don't have nothing to worry about.
The man who was just saying that the car can't handle it.
Well, Daddy can handle the car. The car can handle it, but
my
I can
face.
handle it. Don't tell me, you know what I'm saying?
I had the Cetaphil in my face. I didn't want to put oil. I wanted to put a lotion moisturizer.
But yeah, yo, this is like mad cool though, bro.
It's cool.
Like we picked the snow up earlier, and when I tell you, look, they finna leave too. When I tell you that my hands literally went below the temperature, the blood, I need gloves.
Yeah, everything is starting to shut down. So we need to make sure that the children have snacks and food and everything. And
This is our first experience.
very first experience, y'all. We come from Louisiana. He said drive. We can't go fast in the snow, baby.
Nah, baby.
But in Louisiana, in my lifetime, I have seen like 2 snow days. And that's when I was in high school. And that was when Daniel was a baby. Like, literally, he was a baby. I don't even think he was 1 because I remember putting him in a walker, so he didn't know how to walk.
Danny, listen, if I go faster, it will not be safe. Do you want to get in trouble?
No.
I don't want to get in trouble either, so let's go nice and slow.
I said, tell a vlog hi.
Hello. Happy Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
Hey, Dad.
What's up,
Look,
baby?
Daddy.
What's good with it?
Look.
Y'all in the snow, huh?
Look.
We gotta get some food.
Y'all see, I don't want to get out the car. She said it's too cold.
Come on, Daddy.
What'd you say, bro?
I want to go.
All right, man, let's go. Let's do it. Y'all ready? Watch, yeah, y'all watch. See, I don't even like the cold like that, y'all. She really don't. You don't know, babe? All right, I got you. Come on. Woo! Come on, Danny.
Wow.
This is crazy. Y'all gotta get. I gotta get my phone. I gotta get my camera from out of here. All right, let's go. Come on, let's go inside. Come on. This ain't Danny grabbed you guys when we came in the store was some Ruffles. He loves that. That's all he grabbed.
I do not like those, but I kind of love them because they're salty.
You like the saltiness?
Yes.
You know what sounds good right now? Some cabbage. You like the ones that's already wrapped up or?
I do, but these are cheaper.
Yeah.
Like these are 59 cents.
Huh.
Look, this can turn into popcorn.
Cartoons, huh?
Yes.
Oh, I figured that.
No,
Look, they all in the bag. You see them?
How about your movie?
What you doing?
Take it out.
Man, so let me tell y'all one thing. Whenever we get this bad boy right here in the roast, in the pot with that crock pot seat, man, that's a done deal.
I could push Mom.
That's a done deal right there. Let me see how it's looking. But I like them right there. Those good.
I like this. It's ice cream kind.
The ice cream? Oh, the cookie dough? My mom was talking about. But you want the cookie dough?
No, I really don't want that. I like snickerdoodle. But I told Daniel, I said, Daniel, you're doing really good in the store. He said, yeah, Mari doing bad.
You say you're doing bad. You ain't doing bad. You're doing good.
Yes, I am.
See, what you cart shopping for? What is that?
When they cook too much, they put it to the side.
These are the ones they're trying to get rid of ASAP. It's not that they bad, you guys. It's just that it's about to go bad. Like the expiration dates is probably like, for instance, let me see this bread right here. This let me see how much.
It's gonna be on the back. Look, it's right here.
February 13th.
Oh, that's yesterday.
Yeah, this is yesterday. This they put this out here, so this is
Yeah, but this
for
one
cheap.
is for
For the
15.
15th, yeah. See what I'm saying? Yeah,
You
that's not
gotta
bad.
check the expiration.
All the time, man. You're gonna be walking around here with them bubble guts. Yeah, I'm gonna be the first one to let y'all know right now. We came over here with a budget. Usually I'm the one that overspends. But today I'm definitely the one, you know, trying to hold it down. Sierra and them back here just they balling, y'all. They got money. On Daniel's little secret stash, yo. Like he was stuffing all type of stuff down here.
Stuff and stuff.
Hot Pockets, goldfish, ice cream. I'm like, Danny, where you going, bro?
Look what's in your hand.
A big old bag of chips.
$40 over, but
Yeah, it's not bad if you
it
ask
ain't
me.
that bad.
What is he doing? Boy, you got so much that you want right now. Let's go.
I need it, my wallet.
Yeah, your hand about to
That's
hurt.
our car, y'all.
Which one is our car?
This is our car.
What the?
Oh,
How long we stayed in the car for? I mean, in the Lenny, get in, baby. Come on, quickly, get in. Yo, their car is like done.
Dad, I need some air.
You do, huh?
Yes. Because my hands.
I told you your hands gonna be hurting you.
But I did here.
See, you made it to the back of the car, then you made it to the front that quick.
well, it's cold out here.
She said it's cold out here.
Y'all, look at them. They say they building a snowman. They're building a snowman on top of the car because it's too cold for them to go outside. We got all the kids. Like we got more than 2.
You want more?
No, I do not.
You sure?
I'm good. Thanks. Light's still on the car.
I'm making a head, Dad.
Huh?
I'm making a head.
They are so serious, y'all. This makes no sense.
I'm making a hand.
Dion, that don't look like a snowman.
Because you're a hater. You're hating.
Okay, I'm hating.
Now I need some sticks. Oh, I got toothpicks. Hold on.
OMG, I can't with you. Yo, I was so excited. Because, you know, anything with a Louisiana brand, I eat it. But this says 100% pork.
It says Zeterans though.
But it says pork.
Bro, you say Zeterans. I think that's what called our attention.
Yeah,
when it says
Zatarans. It's a Louisiana brand, but we're going to have to cook it up and give it to Dallas. But it looks so good.
Yo, man, that's... Yeah, Dallas can eat
And
that.
I think this is new because I don't remember them ever having sausage.
So the reason why we want to give it to Dallas, y'all, is because we just don't eat pork. We do not eat it.
We eat bacon like maybe twice a year.
Yeah, twice a year.
Pig.
Yeah, from a pig.
And we like, yeah.
Dallas! Thank you! You ready to go?
Okay, guys, it is like 3 o'clock in the morning, and our lights finally went off. Dion and I were in the middle of recording some videos for our reaction channel. If you have not subscribed to that channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe over there. We are on the road to 50K. But anyways, the lights went off. And we knew that other parts of North Texas, the lights went off for them, like what, early this morning? And they are still, to this time right now, out of lights. So hopefully that's not the case for us. But we wanted to show y'all how much snow have accumulated. Demouchet woke up when the lights went out and came down here talking about he want to help. So Dion's right there with the light. And we about to look at how much snow we have. I looked out the window and
Dallas, you
that
cannot
wind.
come. No.
Yes, because she gonna go running.
And I'm not going to chase you either.
She gonna go running and fall right into the snow. Let's see.
Y'all can feel that breeze already.
Yes, let's see.
Stay.
OMG, a winter wonderland for real. It is so cold out there. They have lights across. They have lights across the street. Ooh, it's cold.
We're going to close the vlog out.
Yeah, so we're gonna close out the vlog right here. Stay tuned to the next vlog and we'll see y'all soon. Peace. We'll keep y'all updated for this winter storm. So yeah.
Follow us on our Instagram. Life with Them on our Instagram. Or is it the DemouchetFam still?
It's Life with Them.
It's Life with Them on the Demouchet. It's Life with Them. Well, it's Life with Them. Go check us out on there. We'll keep you guys posted on what's going on. So.
Yes, and join our mailing list on www.lifewiththem.com. We're still perfecting some things on our blog, but it will be out very soon. And I'm so glad that the children did not have school tomorrow, although we're homeschooling anyway. But, you know, I'm just thinking about the teachers and the principal and administrators and all of that. So, yeah, we'll see y'all soon.
All right,
Peace.
peace out.